Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to be trying to patch up a hole in an old pair of boots. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to be trying to patch a hole in my old pair of boots. I'm going to be honest, I've never done this before. I seen a YouTube video where a guy did it and it looked pretty simple. He just has some super glue, one of these iron-on patches, scissors, toothpicks. Now, I don't know if it makes a difference what kind of super glue you use. I just happen to get the Loctite brand. Has a bunch of little ones in it. Got it at the Walmart. It's supposed to be good for ceramic, paper, wood, rubber, leather, metal, and most plastics. So I figured it'd be a good choice to use with this. Now I want to cut out a piece just a little bit bigger than that hole. Really not sure how much to use. I think he basically used the toothpicks just so his fingers won't get all messed up. But with me, my fingers are going to get all messed up no matter what. Okay, after some work, I got it down where it has to go. Hopefully, there we go. Now he used the toothpicks to press it on. It doesn't look too bad. It's better than that big gaping hole. But what we're going to do is we're going to let it go, dry. I'm going to wear it to work. I don't need steel toes at work. I just need like regular boots. And I do have a new pair of boots. I've been wearing them and I like to keep them looking somewhat nice for a while. That's why I'm trying this. So we're going to go ahead, let this dry. I'm going to wear them to work for a while and see how they hold up. I know I said I was going to give it a month, but it's actually been 2 months now since I first did it. Now when I first did it, the first night I wore it to work, there's like a little lip hanging in the back so I didn't get it perfectly flat. So I took it out and I redid it, and as you can see I tore the hole a little bit bigger. But for 2 months, it's been staying in there. You can see it's kind of getting a little bit loose, but it's still glued back in here. Back in here, you can actually see where the glue's stuck. So what I'll probably do is put some more glue in there, try to press this down a little bit to get it hold a little bit longer. But it's definitely a feasible idea. You just want to make sure you get it in there flat. That's where I messed up the first time. I only wore it one night and I replaced it. So it's been 2 months. So overall, I actually gotta say this is a 2 thumbs up job. You know, a 5 out of 5. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. These are my work boots. I'll work them hard, okay? Now if you have like a pair of shoes that you go out mowing the yard or just casual wear, you can probably get away with it for a lot longer. But like I said, these are my work boots. I don't show them no mercy. I use them hard. Okay, hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.